Hi, Anna here, and welcome to another episode of What the Fuck. Here's a question we get from a lot of people in the middle of their fade journey. I was caught in the rain with my new dry jeans and I wonder, have I ruined my chances for great fades? While jeans aren't exactly waterproof, you don't have to worry that rain will ruin them. Unless you've been standing in the pouring rain for hours, it's not a big deal. What usually happens when dry denim comes in contact with large amounts of water is that parts of the starch and surface-bound indigo are rinsed off the jeans. However, only exposing the jeans to rain, whether the jeans get slightly wet or totally soaked, doesn't really rinse the jeans. If anything, the starch and surface-bound indigo might rearrange rather than rinse off. And this will only add character and become a part of your wear journey. But warning, hur vill ni ha den? Vill ni liksom ha warning? But warning, getting your dry jeans wet might lead to indigo bleeding onto your kicks or clothes, so bear that in mind. If you're interested in getting started on your own wear journey, head into nudiejeans.com and have a look at our selection of dry jeans. See ya!